The customer ordered a bagel and bacon. Even I couldn't hear different.
You couldn't tell the difference between bagel and bacon.
Yeah.
Hey mom, how was it adjusting working in China and then working in Canada when we immigrated?
Oh, big difference.
Really?
Yeah. When I was in China, I'm working in the office.
Yeah.
When I moved to Canada, my English not very well. Then I have to work labor job. I need to find a labor job.
Was that difficult to do because before you were doing white collar, right?
Yeah.
And then you had to do labor, you had to do blue collar. Did that hurt your pride a little bit?
Oh, yeah, hurt my heart.
Face, right?
Yeah, then my first job is working in the coffee shop.
Okay.
It's difficult for me.
Damn.
Because I work in the counter, right?
Yeah.
The customer ordered a bagel and bacon. Even I couldn't hear different.
Oh, you couldn't tell the difference between bagel and bacon.
Yeah.
I can understand how that's difficult to.
That's very difficult.
Yeah.
That's why I hurt my heart because I think a labor job is easy, right?
Yeah. But it wasn't because you had to learn something that you didn't know much before, which was English.
Exactly. Yeah.
So you needed to study English to do that job, right?
Yeah. When you learn the English, the listening very important, most important. If you don't understand, then
If you don't understand, you give them something else. You give them bacon when they ask for a bagel.
Actually, you know what I did? The customer ordered a bagel with the cheese.
Yeah.
I heard bacon with the cheese.
Oh.
Then I put in the dishes the bacon with the cheese.
Uh-oh.
It's then my boss really said, "Oh, Renee, you cannot working in the counter. Go clean the table."
that much must have hurt your pride even more.
Oh my God, I cried. I was cried. I'm not kidding. I was cried all night.
You cried all night because you had to clean the toilets, clean the table, clean the toilets.
Yeah, I have to.
You were working in an office before, right? And
HR.
You worked in HR?
In China, when you're working the HR, the people so proud of you.
Yeah.
Everybody kiss your ass. Right now, my boss said, okay, you couldn't do your job. Go clean the table.
Yeah, I can understand.
Yeah.
Because a lot of us Asians, we don't want face, we want means, right?
Yeah.
So that must have sucked to say, number one, your English is shit.
Yeah.
Number two, go clean the tables, go clean the toilets, whatever.
Yeah. I feel I'm the shit. I feel I'm very not successful,
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well, Mom, I appreciate everything that you did for me because you gave me different opportunity than most people have growing up.
Yeah.
So thank you for everything that you do for me.
I'm so proud of you, Gary.
So what do you think of my career? I went to a business school. You wanted me to have something you didn't have, right?
Yes.
That's why you wanted me to become an accountant or a lawyer, something
really
stable.
Like you be a lawyer.
Because okay, go ahead.
Because when you're talking, right?
Yeah.
You're talking very well.
Yeah.
I think, and your mind very sharp.
Okay.
I think you are sharp, and it's good for you to be lawyer.
Yeah. So you wanted to give me something that you didn't have,
Yeah.
but that wasn't who I truly am also. But I can understand why you can feel like that's not important because you had to clean the tables and scrub the toilets. So I can understand that's why you wanted that, but that's your experience.
Yeah.
And you gave me a life where I didn't have to worry about cleaning the toilets.
Yeah.
So I say, okay, let me do something that I love. And maybe when I say, I want to do something that you love, you're like, this is fucking bullshit. You need to go get a job that pays you stable money, right?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yes, exactly. And I think lawyer, people more respect to the lawyer.
Sure.
That's why.
Sure, you care about that. You lost that when you left China.
Exactly.
And you want to give that to me.
Yeah, you understand.
Of
me.
course I
Exactly.
understand. This is my job is to understand people like you because I help people articulate and understand how to talk to Western bosses. This is my job now. So
you finished your Western school.
Yeah, that's my university.
Yeah, then this after you learned lawyer. Oh, I think be great working in the bigger company. The company.
I understand. I worked in a few big companies, but I decided that's not for me. It feels like a slow death. The companies that I joined. Now there are many good companies. I don't want to say every stable job is bad. There are amazing ones, but it wasn't for me. I think I like being my own boss. That's why I do what I do.
Right now, I'm so proud of yourself. I think you do your own business. You did very well.
Eventually, you became a business person too.
Yeah.
So you can understand that.
Yeah. And right now, I think the smart people do your own business. Is you are more, confident for yourself. When you do your own business, right? You are thinking you are more proud of yourself. Oh, I can do that.
Because you do something that you want to do.
Yeah.
You're creating something, it's like you're creating your own baby. It's your dream and you make your dream happen.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all, Mom.
I love you, Gary.
Thank you, Mom.